Just arrived at the helipad. It took us a little while because the traffic was really bad coming up the strip. But yeah, we're going on a brand new Airbus helicopter.
We checked in, so we had to get weighed, obviously because of the weight restriction on the helicopter, and we've been given our little boarding passes. Number 8. Okay, so about 20 minutes wait. Okay, so while we're waiting in the lounge, which is this, we've got some champagne. You know, so can't beat that. So a couple of glasses. Clearly we don't want to drink and fly, but it's alright for us, but we're passengers, so it's cool.
Wow, I hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. It was amazing. You got to see the city in such a different light, no pun intended, but the lights of Vegas are amazing from the air, and it's something you've got to do. If ever you come to Vegas, do it. It's worth it. You're only up there for maybe 10 to 12 minutes, but it's well worth the money.
It's breathtaking, absolutely breathtaking. So yeah, Globe Guy's recommendation right there is do the helicopter night tour over Vegas. Definitely do it.